does.
Well, and the funny thing was, it was the last day I was moving out of the house. And I was I remember I used to do that 30, 40 years ago down here myself.
Oh, absolutely. We've seen it like this once before. We've been here 20 years.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yep. But this is just really better than this. Oh, well, that answers the first peak of it, I would imagine.
You watch these young fellas, like, you're driving through that flame later.
Oh, yeah, I know. It was on the news last night, I think. Yeah.
I just remember me and my mates would be down there too doing this.
Yeah.
And we wouldn't be hiding behind it all the time, we'd be standing up getting wiped out.
Oh, I lie to people, tell them I'd be out there and nature's marvellous, isn't it?
Young fellas ain't what they used to be, mate.
No, we were tough, weren't we?
Oh, we were, mate, we were. Yeah.
I don't know why you're bloody comparing yourself to me. You're a young bloke.
Oh, I'm not much. I'm older than I look. I just look all right for my age.
How old are you?
Oh, I'm still, yeah, everyone keeps 58.
Yeah, I'm 74.
Oh,
yeah. I thought that'd be 20 years, wouldn't it?
Well, I started it all.
Hey, what's that?
Oh, at the back there?
Just in here, looks like there's something floating here.
Oh, it's there.
Oh yeah, lost the wood, yeah.
Oh, look at
That's
that. The curl's up under again. Oh, no.
They got to be 7, haven't they?
Oh, easy. Especially these ones down along there.
Yeah.
And those ones out there. See those beautiful.
Yeah.